Do you need some extra money but lack the time or ability to work a part-time job? If this describes you, consider using one of the many money-making apps to add some padding to your wallet. With the rise of mobile and desktop applications, people can now earn money almost constantly. There are more money-making apps available that allows you to work online than you might think. You can get paid directly through PayPal, get free gift cards to your favorite stores, or get cash back on all your purchases. Companies want new app users, and they're willing to pay for it. So if you're going to spend hours each day, on your phone, it can't hurt to make a little extra money while you're at it. Hey, welcome to MoneyTalk, where we discuss everything about money. And for this video, we are going to talk about the best money-making apps to help you make some extra cash. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons and be the first to check out our latest videos. So the first app is called Make Money. So this is an app created by a company called Mobile Media Labs, FZ LLC. Make Money is most likely the most popular reward app on the Google Play Store. It promises to pay users for downloading free apps, watching videos, completing offers, and completing online surveys from their phones. Make Money is a free app for iOS and Android devices, so you can get it for free by going to the website and selecting either Google Play or App Store, depending on your phone. Following installation, you can enter a referral code to earn 20 credits. The credits, however, will be awarded only after you complete the 2 offer wall tasks. So regardless of whether or not you enter the code, you will receive 30 credits as a sign-up bonus. So how does the Make Money app work? So you complete various small tasks to earn credits. There are a lot of ways to obtain them, and when you do something that earns them, they are added to your balance. So before you begin completing tasks, you must first determine the value of your credits. So you can redeem 5,000 credits for $5 or 6,500 credits for €5. If you go to the payouts page, as a result, 1,000 credits are worth $1. The first thing you should do after installing Make Money app is finish your profile. So it can be found under the More Tasks tab. All you need to do is provide your name and your email address to identify your account and receive payments through PayPal. So make sure you provide your correct PayPal email. Otherwise, you can miss the payment. Completing offers is the most common way to earn credits with Make Money app. There are many offers in the Task tab, but if you want more, tap on More Tasks and you will find 3 more offer walls. Another popular method for gaining more credits is to watch videos. So all you have to do is tap on Watch Videos and wait until the video finishes, which is usually 20 or 30 seconds. It's really simple, right? So you will receive 2 credits for each video view. Another simple way to earn credits is to check in on a daily basis. So every time you log into your account and click the check-in button, you will receive 20 free credits. You can use an auto-clicker to help you earn points automatically. Another app is called Feature Points. TapGen Corp, a Canadian company, owns and operates Feature Points. So it's a Get Paid To or GPT platform. Users can earn points by using the website or the mobile app, which is available for both Android and iOS, so don't worry. The company provides marketing and advertising services to developers who want to increase the visibility of their products, mobile games, and apps. You will earn points by partnering with Feature Points for downloading apps, answering surveys, completing offers, watching videos, shopping, and referring friends. So once you've accumulated enough points, you can exchange them for PayPal cash and a variety of gift cards from Amazon, Starbucks, Xbox, and other retailers. Feature Points is available for both desktop and mobile devices, including Android and iOS. So you can get the app for free on Google Play or the App Store. And you can sign up with your Facebook account or email address. So after registering, you can earn 50 points by entering a referral code. Following that, you can begin downloading apps, watching videos, and completing offers. To access the surveys, you must first complete the About You section, which consists of only 4 questions. They will only request your birth date, gender, country, and postcode. After finishing, you will receive 10 points. So you will earn points with different currency values depending on the payment method you select and your country. In addition to points, you will receive 1 token for every 20 points earned. So taking paid surveys is one of the best ways to earn the most feature points. It provides a reasonable number of surveys, and if you join, this is definitely an earning method to consider. So simply share your thoughts on the survey's topic and you'll receive a reward on your feature point account as a result. Downloading apps is also a good way to make some extra money quickly. You can see the apps you can download once you've logged into feature points. You can, of course, only earn by doing this from your phone or tablet. Despite the fact that the Feature Points app is available on both Android and iOS devices, this specific earning method is only available on Android. So when you first join Feature Points, you will be asked to enter a referral code during the sign-up process. If you have such a code, you will immediately receive 50 free bonus points. Feature Points has some excellent payout options. You can be compensated in 3 ways. You can be compensated in gift cards, cash, or Bitcoin. There are payout methods to suit all preferences. Now, I know the topic gets more and more interesting from here, and I want you to hold down your horses, but I want to know what app so far interests you. Let me know in the comment section below so that we can talk about it. Okay, so where were we? The third app is iPoll. So this is a survey website that provides cash rewards, gift cards, and sweepstakes entries in exchange for completing their surveys. iPoll is unique in that it encourages you to complete surveys via their mobile app rather than the traditional browser method. But you can still complete surveys using a regular browser by logging into their website. There are several ways to make money with iPoll. Paid surveys or iPoll's bread and butter. This is where the majority of your earnings will come from. This is understandable given that they are primarily a survey site. iPoll, on the other hand, uses these surveys to collect relevant information for their partner companies. But that's how survey sites work. Businesses need market research, and you can get paid to help by sharing your thoughts. Take note, however, that you must complete your profile before iPoll can begin sending you surveys to complete. Badges are a type of passive income that you can obtain from iPoll. Consider these to be your achievement points. When you reach a certain milestone as an iPoll member, you receive a badge. So each badge is worth a specific sum of money. Keep in mind that you can only obtain a certain type of badge once. You can also earn rewards with iPoll missions by simply completing the missions that iPoll provides. So these missions can range from photographing products to visiting stores and even testing products. In terms of payment, iPoll allows you to redeem your rewards through PayPal, Amazon, gift card, or iTunes gift card. According to their terms and conditions, the minimum payment threshold for iPoll is $50. Okay, so now that you know all of this information, which of these apps would you like to try? You know what? I want you to comment down below so that we can get the conversation going. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button, click subscribe, and hit that notification bell to receive updates on our latest videos. If you want to watch more videos, you can just head on over to our channel to see more from MoneyTalk. See you!